So as already I explained you the definition, introduction of trigonometry. Your trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angle and sides of a triangle. Now here, what are the sides and the angles, how we can calculate or how we can measure? First of all, we need to have a triangles. So first of all, you have to understand some triangles first. So here we are having a triangle number 1. Now another triangle I am to draw, that this triangle I am going to draw. This is triangle number 2. One more triangle I am going to draw here, and that triangle we are having it, I am having it, this is like this. So this is triangle number 3. So I have drawn 3 types of a triangle here. This triangle is our A, B and C. 90 degree it seems to be like here. Now the another triangle I am having your P, Q and R. In this we have 90 degree here, and the third triangle I am going to write X, your Y and your Z. So in this triangle you will have 90 degree over here. It is clear? This is our 90 degree. So trigonometry is based on the triangle having one angle 90 degree. First there must be a one angle which should be of your 90 degree angle. Now we have to see in 90 degree angle there are the 3 sides. So observation basis I can easily write on this triangle. Observation basis I am telling you, on the basis of observation basis per I can write this is my BASE base because the triangle is standing on that part. This is my BASE base, and here also on observation I can write it is a base. It is clear? And the side which is 90 degree to the base is called your perpendicular. PER, PI and I perpendicular. Here also it is of your perpendicular, but here no side is seems to be perpendicular. कोई side perpendicular नहीं दिख रही है. In this one more side is there which is in front of a 90 degree, that is of your hypotenuse side. Front of a 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So here you can see this side is our hypotenuse. This side we have taken as a BASE base side, and this side we have taken as a PER perpendicular side. Here also I have written this is my base side, this is my perpendicular side, and in front of this 90 degree angle, in the front of this 90 degree angle, that is of my hypotenuse side. In these two triangles we can easily say that the hypotenuse can be easily recognized because it is in front of a 90 degree angle, in front of a 90 degree angle. On the basis of these two observations, the hypotenuse of this figure will be of your, this hypotenuse is your Y and Z. But still there is a confusion about base and perpendicular, because actually the triangle is standing on the hypotenuse, and it on the observation basis the hypotenuse seems to be like a base. मतलब आपको hypotenuse जो है वो base दिख रहा है क्योंकि triangle उसी पे खड़ा हुआ है, पर एक्चुअल में वो हाइपोटेनियस है, वो बेस नहीं है. बिकॉज बेस इज दिस हाइपोटेनियस हमेशा 90 डिग्री के सामने होते हैं, लेकिन हमने ट्राइंगल को इस तरीके से बना दिया कि जो बेस जो होना चाहिए था वहां पर तो हाइपोटेनियस दिख रहा है, अब हमें पता ही नहीं है बेस कौन सा है. इस कंडीशन में ये भी आपका बेस हो सकता है और ये भी आपका बेस हो सकता है. अगर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द बेस दिस साइड, अगर आपने बेस इसको ले लिया, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक बेस दिस, देन इट विल बी ऑफ योर परपेंडिकुलर. और अगर आपने इसको परपेंडिकुलर ले लिया तो वो आपका, ये आपका, इसको बेस लिया तो ये आपका परपेंडिकुलर होगा. लेकिन किसको बेस लेना है और किसको परपेंडिकुलर लेना है, दिस इज द थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो ये कैसे पता चलेगा, इसके लिए हम एक और ट्राइंगल बनाते हैं और उस ट्राइंगल से देखेंगे हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट विच पार्ट इज टू बी बेस्ड एंड विच पार्ट इज टू बी योर परपेंडिकुलर. आई हैव ड्रॉन अ simple triangle, and in this triangle the information we are having that the triangle is my A B C. It is 90 degrees. So once we observe that 90 degrees is there in front of this, I can easily write this side is our hypotenuse side. But now I have to observe where is this type of a figure called theta. What is the name of the figure? Name of the figure is called theta. Are you listening? What is the theta? Name of the figure is called theta. So we will observe the theta, position of theta. Theta की position को observe करेंगे. अगर थीटा यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, अगर थीटा यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है तो थीटा के सामने वाला साइड आपका परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा, और थीटा जिस जगह पर है वो साइड आपका बेस हो जाएगा. इट इज क्लियर. यहाँ पर थीटा है वो साइड बेस हियर. In another figure, on the figure top, if I am going to draw in this top figure, if I am going to draw that theta is here, in that condition the front side is perpendicular and this will be of your base. In the same way, if I am going to give you my theta on that side, so this side is going to be your base and the front of theta you will get your perpendicular side. It is clear. Now this explanation, by this आपको ये समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Got this? Very good, beta. Now we will go for the another part of this, that is of your trigonometrical ratios. I am going to tell you about the ratio today also. So you can see here the another heading I am going to take, that is of your trigonometrical ratios. So here we have your TRI, GO, NO, ME, TRY and ratio, that is of RATIO ratio. So I am going to tell you about ratio. So first, before telling you the ratio, first of all I would like to tell you the three pillars of trigonometry, that names as sine, cos and tan. So we are having here three pillars, that is of your first pillar is your sine theta, another figure you are having your cos, theta is the angle, and the third figure of your tan, it is your tan theta. Three names are there, sine, cos and tan. So sine, the ratio of the sine is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is the ratio of sine. It is a formula of ratio, or you can write if there is a perpendicular and hypotenuse, it will be equals to the sine. And your next is your base upon hypotenuse, your base upon hypotenuse is there, and your third side is your perpendicular upon base. So these are the three ratios, initial three ratios of trigonometry, sine, cos and tan. So anyone can tell me the idea how we can learn this perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse and perpendicular upon base, because some of the peoples are having this idea how we can remind or learn this thing. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to? हाँ बताइए बेटा क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे याद कर सकते हैं this perpendicular base and hypotenuse वाला part, sine, cos and tan? I know maximum of you know it very well. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है. So tell me how we can remember this. No answer, no problem. Now I am going to let you know. Sine, cos and tan should be in the sequence. So to learn the basic ratios, you can write it like Pandit. P stand for Pandit, B stand for Bole, Pandit Bole, P for Prasad. So you can learn it like that. Pandit Bole. Yes. Anyone wants to say something? So you can learn it like the little theory, Pandit Bole Prasad, Har Bole. And some people use some other words for this. So any words you can make like this. It is clear? Are you getting it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reciprocal of this, now you are going to get the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means sine का reciprocal cosec होता है और cos का reciprocal sec और tan का cot. So I am going to write the reciprocals of this. So it is your co-sec, cosec theta is equals to your hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now the another one is your sec theta. Your sec theta is equals to your hypotenuse upon your base, and the last one is your cot theta. Cot theta is equals to your perpendicular. So these are the three ratios which is reciprocated and it becomes your 6. It becomes your 6. Sin theta is a single symbol and sin cannot be separated from theta. अब कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि sin अलग है theta अलग है. नहीं बेटा, ये single symbol है. single symbol का मतलब ये दोनों जुड़े हुए हैं. Cos theta भी symbol है. आप ये बोलो sin अलग है और theta अलग है. No, it is not possible. It is a single symbol. Now on the basis of this we will go for the exercise first question, because we need to know only this part to do the first exercise. So I am going to take the exercise first question. It's okay. I am going to read the question. You see here, in triangle ABC, the right angle at B, AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter. We have to find out the sin A and we have to find out the cos A. So I am going to draw one triangle to explain you that we are having a given triangle. We are having like this. We have this type of a triangle, and the triangle is our ABC triangle. In this, B is of your 90 degrees. So I have kept A here, B here, C here. It is our 90 degree. Just if it is mentioned 90 degree in front of this will be your hypotenuse side, obviously. Now if theta is at the place of A, then it will be base, and if theta is at the place of again A, then it will be your base, but the formula will be different. So we can see that both place we are having a theta on this side, theta is our this side. It is clear? So that means theta is there, that means it is your BASE base side, and this is our perpendicular side, PERPENDICULE. Why I have drawn this figure like this? So that you can identify wherever we are having a theta, that place may be as a base. नहीं तो इस वाले फिगर को I can easily construct in another way. The figure can be easily constructed in another way. इस फिगर को मैंने ऐसे बनाया है, मैं इस फिगर को चाहता तो इस तरीके से भी बना लेता. So if I am going to draw, it is A, B and C. In that condition, my theta is here and my base is here. So perpendicular is PER, perpendicular, and 90 degrees is there. This part will be hypotenuse. But we will see why I have drawn theta at the top, so that you can identify wherever you are having a theta side may be base. So we will find out the solution of this. In this given figure, in given triangle, your in triangle A, B, C, yes. बोलिए
सर, ये फिर से समझा दीजिए ऊपर वाला सर.
ये
Yes sir.
theta is there, that means base will be this side. In this figure, theta is here, that means base will be this side. In front of a theta there is a perpendicular. जहां पर theta नहीं है वो साइड perpendicular है, और 90 डिग्री के सामने hypotenuse है. चाहे फिगर ऐसा बना लो आप कॉपी में, चाहे फिगर ऐसा बनाओ, लेकिन बेस हमेशा थीटा के साथ ही होगा. आपने फिगर ऐसा बनाया तो बेस थीटा के साथ होगा. ये देखने में अच्छा लग रहा है कि हाँ ये बेस है, लेकिन थीटा अगर आपने यहाँ बना दिया, ए एंगल यहाँ लिख दिया, तो बेस ये होगा, पर देखने में बेस ये दिख रहा है, पर हमें देखने के हिसाब से नहीं चलना, हमें थीटा के हिसाब से चलना है. Wherever theta is there, that side is your base. Why I am constructing this figure? So that you may have a clear idea about the theta. There is a relation between a theta and a base. Wherever you are having a theta, that side must be of your base only. It is clear? जहां पर भी थीटा होगा वही दीवार बेस मानी जाएगी, उसके सामने वाली दीवार परपेंडिकुलर मानी जाएगी. Now in triangle ABC, you have right angled at B. So you can write here, we have to find out this. I am going to put the values in this. My AB side is given 24 centimeter and BC side is given my 7 centimeter. This is there also. Your AB side is given 24 centimeter. BC side is given your 7 centimeter. That means we have to find out hypotenuse first. So I am going to find out the hypotenuse. You can write here by using, you can write by your Pythagoras theorem. PY, ये Pythagoras को तो जानते हैं आप?
Yes sir.
Pythagoras theorem,
Yes sir.
what is Pythagoras? बताइए क्या है Pythagoras theorem?
Square.
X square is equal to C square.
X square equal to B square plus B square.
Perpendicular square और बेस होल स्क्वायर अगर आप करेंगे तो हाइपोटेनियस का होल स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. So now here you can have your hypotenuse is AC. Both case hypotenuse is AC, you can see. Perpendicular is your BC. Both the cases perpendicular is BC, and your AB is base. Both the cases you are having AB as a base. You have AC as a hypotenuse. Your perpendicular is 7 whole square, 7 centimeters whole square. Then plus your base is equals to 24 centimeter whole square. It will be obviously centimeter square. So you may have your AC is equals to 7 times is equals to 49, and 24 4 times is equals to 576 your centimeter. So your AC whole square is equals to your 625 centimeter whole square. Then you will get here under root this AC is equals to your under root 625 centimeter square. Then you have your AC is equals to 25. So if you are having a AC 25, I am going to put AC over here. It is my 25 centimeter. This is my 25 centimeters. Now you can see here, if you are having a 25 here, my sine A is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and my cos A is equals to base upon hypotenuse. So in the above figure, इधर दिस और दिस दोनों में से कोई फिगर ले लीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. परपेंडिकुलर दोनों फिगर में हमारे पास क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर है हमारे पास BC और हाइपोटेनियस हमारे पास है AC. यहाँ पर हमारे पास बेस हमारे पास दोनों फिगर में क्या है? AB और हाइपोटेनियस हमारे पास है AC. So I have recorded this. Now you can see your sine A, sine A is your BC, BC is your 7, and AC we have taken 25. And your cos A, B base is what? 24. AB is your
25.
okay, is your 25. This is your answer figure. This is your answer figure. You got it now? First part, complete solution I am going to show you.
Yes, sir.
This was given to us. Question number 1. I have drawn this figure. I consider this figure as a favorable figure. By this figure, you can easily have an idea that the base is with the theta. But to explain you, I construct this figure also, because A is there, theta is there, base will be this with this theta. In that condition, first of all, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. We got the third side. Once we got the third side, we will put the value of perpendicular and hypotenuse, base and hypotenuse. You got the answer. So first part of the first question is clear to all. Now we will go for the second question. First part, I am going to take you to the second question. Wait a moment. Now I am going to take you to the second question. You see, we have question number second of this exercise number 8.1. In figure is already in book. Find tan P and cot R. So I have drawn the figure. In this figure, that P is at the top, Q is 90 degree. So 90 degree के सामने hypotenuse है. This is confirmed side. R is here. But if we will consider the P as a theta, then the base will be different and perpendicular differ. R as a theta, then base will be different and perpendicular will be different. So I am not going to write base and perpendicular. हम base और perpendicular नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ given information लिख लेंगे. AR is given. You have this is your 13 centimeter, and your this part is given your 12 centimeter. So now we are not going to consider a theta P. Simply we are observing using Pythagoras theorem. We have solution SOLUTION solution. You can see your in right triangle RIGST right triangle, your PQR, your right angle RIGST right UANG right angle at Q है ना, right angle at Q है. So you can write your perpendicular whole square plus your base whole square is equals to hypotenuse whole square. So we are not considering to, whenever we will find this, then only we will consider theta as a P and theta as a R. Still we are considering the figure only. On the basis of the figure, perpendicular is 12, base is not given, hypotenuse is 13. So I am going to write here, that is of your PQ whole square, your QR whole square is equals to your PR whole square. So this is given your 12 centimeter, it is whole square, and plus my QR I have to find out QR whole square, and hypotenuse is given me my 13 centimeter, and again it is whole square. So I am sending this over there. So it is your QR whole square is equals to your 13 centimeter whole square minus your 12 centimeter whole square. So your QR is equals to 13 169 centimeter square minus 12 times is equals to 144 centimeter square. So my QR whole square is equals to 144 and 9. So it will be your 1 is subtracted 9, 5, 4 to 25. It is my 25 centimeter square. Now if I am going to QR shifted over this 25 centimeter whole square, then we will have
Five.
QR is equal to 5 only, 5 centimeter. So I am going to write 5 centimeter here. Now we will find the sine P. Now you can write here, you can write your 10P. Your 10P is equals to perpendicular. अब देखिए 10P पूछ रहा है तो थीटा कहां पर है, इस जगह पर है. अब 10 का फॉर्मूला पहले लिख लेते हैं. फॉर्मूला हमारे पास होता है परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. तो इसके हिसाब से परपेंडिकुलर क्या बन गया आपका, QR, और बेस क्या बन गया आपका, PQ.
ऊपर कीजिए.
इसके हिसाब, हाँ देखिए आप ऊपर फिगर के हिसाब से परपेंडिकुलर बन गया आपका QR और बेस आपका बन गया PQ. तो परपेंडिकुलर ऑन बेस में आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा, परपेंडिकुलर हो गया 5 और बेस हो गया आपका 12. ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे कॉट का फिगर, COT कॉट R देख लेंगे. अब हम कॉट R का फॉर्मूला होता है बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. तो देखिए अगर थीटा यहाँ पर आ गया तो थीटा यहाँ आ गया तो बेस तो QR हो गया, तो हमने बेस लिख लेना है यहाँ पर QR. और देखिए थीटा यहाँ पर है तो परपेंडिकुलर PQ हो गया, तो हम परपेंडिकुलर लिख लेंगे यहाँ पर PQ. अगेन यू विल गेट 5 upon 12. Now question is what? Question we have to write, that is of your 10P minus your cot R. In this way you will have your 5 upon 12, subtract your 5 upon 12, it will be common 12, and 5 minus 5, then it will be of your 0 upon 12. That means your answer of this question will be of your 0. You got this? You get
Yes,
this?
sir.
Very good. Now you got the answer. In the same way, you have to try the part second of question number 1, and you have to try the part number 3, 4, and 5. I will send you the PDF of the chapter. You have to go for the chapter question number 5 up to question number. You have to go